Let's head into the kitchen, shall we? Whereas today the spotlight shines on a classic dish, Arroz con Fideos. This savory combination of basmati rice and vermicelli noodles, delicately sautéed with onions and a touch of cumin, is a testament to the simplicity and elegance of Middle Eastern cuisine. Start by preparing 1 cup of rice. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. This step is crucial as it removes excess starch and prevents the rice from sticking together. Once that's done, drain it well. Next, it's time to give some love to 1/2 cup of vermicelli noodles. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet or saucepan over medium heat. Add the noodles, stirring them frequently until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, they can burn quickly, so keep a close eye on them. Once your noodles reach the perfect consistency, it's time to toss in 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Sauté them until the onion becomes translucent and emits a fragrant aroma. If you're craving a hint of Middle Eastern flavor, sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin at this point. Next, it's time for the rice and broth to come together. Stir in the rinsed rice, ensuring it is well integrated with the noodles and aromatic ingredients. Pour in 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth and season with salt and pepper according to your preference. Crank up the heat to high and bring the mixture to a rapid boil. Once it starts bubbling, turn down the flame to a gentle heat. Secure the skillet or saucepan with a fitting lid to keep in the steam. Allow it to simmer slowly for some time, until all the liquid is taken in and the rice feels soft. Remember, patience is crucial here. Switch off the heat and let the pan rest, still covered, for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the rice some more time to steam and puff up. After this resting phase, lightly fluff up the rice and noodles using a fork. Transfer the Arroz con Fideos to a serving dish, adorning it with 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley or coriander for a vibrant splash of color and crisp freshness. Now, it's time to revel in the product of your kitchen creativity. This dish is notably versatile. Feel free to add around 1 cup of cooked chicken, beef, or vegetables to make it more robust. Complement it with yogurt, salad, or your choice of Middle Eastern side dishes for a well-rounded meal. And there you have it, a dish that's as soothing as it is rich in taste, an authentic tribute to Middle Eastern cuisine. Relish the deep flavors and soothing warmth of Arroz con Fideos, seamlessly recreated in your very own kitchen. Please like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more great recipes.